Hello friends, welcome back to SPN Consultant. Today I want to talk about a metal share which in today's market gave a rise of more than 2%. And friends, the name of that share is, as you can see, Vedanta. Vedanta, this is a share which deals in minerals and metals. Friends, do watch the video till the end, because at the end I want to give you a very important news regarding this share. And anybody new to this channel, do like, share and subscribe it, and don't forget to press the icon bell so that any video uploaded or updated by me will be notified to you. So friends, this Vedanta share in today's market, in the previous day the share was trailing at rupees 279, and today it made a high of more than 13 rupees, and it ended at something around 292 rupees. So friends, do focus on this share, and it's not my recommendation that you tomorrow go and purchase this share. First consult with your financial advisors and do accordingly. And now the important news which I wanted to give you regarding this share is that on 11th of October the general meeting is there regarding the issue of dividend. So friends, till do watch the meeting on 11th of October, because on that day the chairperson of this company will announce a dividend, and that dividend may be around rupees 30 to 35 rupees. So in this meeting we just have to see that whether that dividend is going to be given to the shareholders or it will be transferred to their subsidiaries companies. So till then, do focus, do watch on this share, keep this share in your watch list and follow it. It is a very good share and it has bright future also, as recently this Vedanta company is going to be acting in the semiconductor field also. So friends, do focus in the share, and if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe it. And one more thing, that I have one more channel in the name of SPN Consultancy. You can also go through that channel also. There are also valuable informations or valuable videos uploaded in that channel also. So till then friends, goodbye and good night.